Hi everyone and welcome to Money's Corner. So I just did a little bit fixing on my eyebrow. I just created an eye look and now I am going to test out a mascara that I just got for testing purposes. It's L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara and it looks like this, okay? And I will link below from where I got this. And it looks like this and it's odd. It looks like this, but if you take this off right here, like so, you can actually, look at that. So I haven't tried this, so let's go ahead and test it out and see how it leaves my eyebrows. I like it like this. I am dunking it, and then I am putting it on the eyes, and let's see how this goes. So it's really nice actually. Go ahead and wiggle it from the bottom up. Do you see that? Let's try putting on a little bit more. So usually what I do is I leave it like that and then I'll go ahead and do the other side and we'll go back and put a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and dunk it back in. This is called Unlimited Mascara by L'Oreal. And I'm going ahead and I am putting it on. Okay, we are putting it on. I always have one side that's better, and for some reason, when it comes to the mascara, the right side is just better. But I like it because it's making my eyelashes, it's making my eyelashes, it's pushing them up, because I have like the scarecrow that go down. Okay, so far, it looks good. So now what I'm gonna do is gonna put some on the bottom and then we'll go back on the top for another round and see how that goes. It's a very flexible brush, see? But like I said, I like it like this. I find no use the other way. As it is, I struggle to put it on. Over here in Texas, it's been weird. It's windy today. It's 70, and then tomorrow we're dropping to the lower to 49, and it's gonna be cold. So this is the reason why so many of us get sick and can't shake it off. It's very easy, it feels good. But I always struggle with the lower lash line. That's the reason I don't do it. But for testing purposes, I am. There you go. That's the most I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna struggle with that. Let's go ahead and do this side. That's the most I will do. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back and I'm gonna dunk it. Let's try it like this now and see how that works. Ooh, just might be a good trick. Let's see. Oh, I definitely like this. It just separates the lashes so nicely. Gives it like I said, it's just like a very natural. Look at that. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? That's weird. When it comes to mascara, I'm very picky. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. And let's try that at the other side. I try not to blink because every time I blink I wreck them. But look at that. Look at how pretty that is. I like that. So I'm definitely liking this mascara. And there's a good chance I would purchase it. Let's see here. But this is just right now for testing reviews, and this is a side I struggle with, so bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Okay, so this is the final look. Look at that, how pretty. So it looks like it's a little bit right here. Let me see this. Just don't want to put too much because I don't want to clump it up either. But it doesn't seem to clump up. If anything, it separates them. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, and let me try the other one, and that's it. I'll show you the final review, the final look. And so my thoughts are, it's good. I like. It gives it a lot of a beautiful look. It's a little bit of clumpiness that I don't like. So let me see. Let me solve that issue really quick. I'm just spreading it out a little bit. Just don't have time in the mornings to do that. So there's another one that I like a lot that I will share with you later. I got it from the Julep box, I got it from BoxyCharm. And this is the final look. And yes, I like it. And you just have to brush it a little bit with a spool to get it unclumped. Maybe wiping it more when you use the product. That is the final look. It's nice. It really is. So it's a good product. It's an okay product. You just have to, like, you know, break it up a little and you're good. So this is the final look, everyone. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and you all have a good day. Bye-bye.